Alright, so this is the 05 Civic that I got. My personal car. I've had it about 2-3 years, maybe. I did the K-swap myself. Really the only issues with the car is the clear coat, which you can kind of see right there on top of the car. It's got some issues with the clear coat on the hood. Some of the fenders, you can see it here on top where it's the clear coat's just coming off of it, kind of on the top of the doors and the trunk. Really a nice paint job. Will do this car a lot of justice. AC works, heat works, cruise control works, power steering. This is a special edition Civic, 05 Civic. It has the 8th gen Civic Si wheels, has a 5-low conversion with rear disc. Like I said, it does have a K-swap. It's got 5% window tint. Interior's pretty clean. So with the special edition, you get a 6-disc changer. You get the tweeters on the door, leather wrap steering wheel, a little spoiler back here. So as you can see, the interior's pretty clean. It's got a Acura TL shifter in it to retain the sport shift. Let's see. In the back seat, as you can see, it's pretty clean. It's got some black housing headlights. It's got HID, high beam and low beam. It's got some yellow fog lights, which I set up on a harness with a factory switch. It's not the harness that comes with the fog lights. So you turn the switch on. And there's the fog light switch. So as you can see, they do turn off when you turn on high beam, just like they would for factory. So say put on high beam, and now you have your headlights high and low, no fog light. As I said before, it does have the 5 lugs. All tires are good. They don't match. They're all the same size, different brands. That's good. K20A3 out of a 03 Acura RSX. It's stock. Nothing fancy about it. It is automatic. Makes it a little different. It does have power steering, cruise control, AC, heat, everything just like it came factory. Yeah, still has ABS, all that jazz. Just had a recent oil change. Runs great. Transmission shifts great. It does have a minor oil leak. I think is the VTEC solenoid. I can replace that before it's sold. It's no biggie. It does have some aftermarket hood shocks on it because the original hood prop wouldn't work because it goes in here and would go here, but as you can see, it won't fit there. So I had to go with aftermarket hood shocks. They work well. The hood had to notch the hood to clear a power steering pump, but again, it doesn't affect anything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll hop in and take it for a spin. So the ABS light is on because I took the seats out to clean the carpet, and I just hadn't reset the light yet. The odometer shows 136,000. I think there's like 170,000 on the motor, but you know, like I said, it does have the Acura shifter, so you put over in sport mode and you still shift it manually. So whenever you put over in the manual mode, it doesn't even display on the gear selector on the dash. But as you can see, all the other gears, it shows you. It does not have a D2 as indicated on there because the Acura just doesn't have a D2. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We can take it for a spin real quick. This car's not super fast by any means, but it's reliable transportation. Gets you from A to B decent on gas, you know. Soda just fell on the floor over there. I heard that knock or whatever. So you can put it over in the sport mode, and then you can manually shift it. Out pretty good. It's been a good car. I just decided to make a change and went to a Honda CR-V instead of Civic. So that's the reason for selling it. But yeah, it's been a good little car. It's clean title. I'm not sure how many owners or none of that jazz, but like I said, I've had it for about 3 years. And it's given me no issues since I put this motor in. I kept having some issues out of the D17, and that's why I decided to do this swap. I drive about 40 miles to work every day, so each way. So that's why I kept it automatic. I think the car had 107,000 miles on it when I did the swap, so I've put roughly 30,000 miles on the swap since I put it in here. I think it had about 130 on it when I did the swap. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just hit me up about it, and I'll be open to talk about it.